Hi guys! So, this is our room. Ayan, ito yung, this is Discovery Motel in Yanting. And makikita nyo, ayan, yun yung, comfort room. Well, dito, comfort room ang tawag nila. It's most commonly known as restroom, no? Kasi nagtanong kami ng comfort room kanina. And nagtataka kung anong comfort room sinasabi. So, ito yung bed namin. It's a king size bed. And
Pwede ka lumundag.
and ito guys, yung remote. Yan, makikita nyo. Yan yung remote ng lahat dito sa hotel. Pati ng aircon. Nung una nagtataka kami, paano namin papatayin yung ilaw and everything. Yan, si Mahal. Tapos, yan, may sala area kayo. Tapos, nandito yung cabinet and may pa-hot water sila and drinks. Ayan na yung cabinet. Wala kaming nilagay dyan. May personal refrigerator dito. Siyempre, you already see TV and ayan, may sound system sila kasi pwede ka mag-karaoke. Ayan si Mahal, ang gamit namin, nakabalandra dyan. Yan. And ang the best dito is 9,600 NTD lang to for 4 nights. Meron siyang steam room. Yung steam room is the same as shower room. Ayan. Yung switch. And then you have a jacuzzi. And this is our powder area. Powder area. Ayan, may malaking mirror. Hi! And then, nakakabila tong pinaka-CR. Ayan, may ano din siya, bidet. So, kung gusto nyo guys dito, ito ay nasa Yanping. And they have different rooms din guys. You can check at booking.com. Currently, wala pa kaming like mga code. Pero kapag nagkaroon na kami, syempre, sana guys, i-support nyo kami. Di ba, Mahal? Yan, nakabihis na si Mahal. Kasi
We're going to have
cementing.
some rest before we go to cementing.
So, mamaya, makikita nyo, i-upload rin namin yung video. In another video, yung pagpunta namin sa Cementing Night Market. Bye! Thank you for watching!